det är bra. Det blev en lampa som ni kan se. Jättestor lampa. Som är jättefin. Det ser ut som en blomma. Reglerna. Och jag köpte en spegel och jag köpte en tröja. Så det blev ändå lyckad shopping tycker jag.
Tycker jag verkligen.
Ja. Inte på dig. Good morning! It's the next day and I am at home. Victor is out for a walk and I just wanted to quickly show you our home office. Victor uses it as well sometimes, but even though I kind of do all my creative stuff in here, that's why we call it my home office, but it is for us both. The lamp we bought yesterday is up. Victor is, I think he loves having projects to do at home. I think he is really handy. So he got the lamp up and I also have, our mirror is also up on the wall, so I'm going to show you. So this is what the home office looks like So this is what the home office looks like right now. I'm so happy with the lamp. I think it really works with the aesthetic. And oh, I also need to plant the plant into some soil. But Victor put up some shelves and he also, yeah, he's done pretty much everything in here. The chair and the desk, everything, and now the lamp. I'm so happy with this lamp. I just really love this lamp so much. I think it looks so cute. So I'm very happy with it. And then here is the mirror as well that Victor put up just before he left. And now in a couple of hours I'm going to lunch and I'm going to see Millie from the show, from Love is Blind. And I haven't seen her for so long. I am really, really excited. Hello again. I am so tired right now. I feel like I could literally just close my eyes and fall asleep. But I have some stuff I still need to get done. So I have had such a great day seeing Millie. It's been so long since I saw her last and it was so fun to just catch up with her and just have lunch and talk about everything. And I really think she's such a lovely and sweet person. She's so bubbly and yeah, she's just really great, a really, really great friend. So we had a great lunch. Then I took a walk around an area called Haga in Gothenburg. It is a really cozy area. It kind of reminds me of Old Town in Stockholm. Then I went back home and I met up with Victor. We took a drink. I had a mocktail and he had a beer and we took a drink in the sun. It was actually sunny today, which it always rains in this town. It's like one of the rainiest towns in Sweden. So you kind of just have to always assume that it's gonna rain. But it was actually really sunny. So we were just soaking up the sun. Something that I really appreciate in our relationship is that we really do take time to talk to each other. And we are very curious about each other and want to get to know each other. I don't know, I think we're good at dreaming together as well. Anyway, now I have to pack for Stockholm tomorrow and then I'm gonna sleep. Victor and I are taking the car up to Stockholm. Anyway, now I'm going to bed. I will see you in the morning. Good night!